Hello. So last time we were talking about floors, and today we're gonna go with another families. Let's just start with another brand new project. Um, so open this up, and you will see here is walls. Walls is really important, and it works really well with door and a window. Let's just create a 3D view. And for doors, um, you could actually we could go to east and look at our levels. For example, this one level we can actually copy. um, let's do another. So I have 3 levels. Nice. So we could go to this views, and you can go to floor views, you go to floor plan, and you can start to create a new level. So that's level 3 here. Okay. Anyway, so that's what we do. Yeah, we try to add a new level. That's the point. If we go back to here, so we have 3 levels, and we can start draw a wall. The nice thing about a wall is, as long as you draw a line, they will create walls for you. It's super fast. Um, and there's other point you could even turn them into, you know, um, straight lines. So that's basically, so it's pretty easy to do. Um, you can do curve fours and straight fours. Okay. Um, if you go to the level view, so you can look at things like this. Okay. And you could always edit them. Just double click. Um, I think the one you go to views. Oh, that's how you change um, things like this. But actually, what I want to do is to look at this wall. Yes, if you want to change it, the direction of the wall, you can just change them. For this curve, you can actually change them too. See here, you change them too. So in 2D, if you want to modify, you can. Um, and the other thing about wall is, let's say I draw another wall. Okay, just like this. You see here, they automatically make them. Okay, if you want to cut them, it's super simple. You just use this, trim tool. See, it's automatically trimmed, so you don't have to worry about anything. Even like um, even like draw another wall. See here, just randomly here, and if you select them, you use this extension and trim, they automatically connect. Okay, and you can connect them again. So it's pretty handy family. Okay. Well, actually, there are definitely other walls. There's wall by face. We'll talk about later. Um, if you go back to the 3D view, so for the walls, there's another thing is modify. Is see here, it's actually really simple to modify. Um, you can move it down. You can remove constraints. That's fine, and you could you know you can change the shape, any kind of shape you want. um, Let me see. um, you can draw lines in here and cut them, you see. Well, by the way, this one you need to add them again. See, so you can it's pretty easy to do this kind of things. Okay. um, Again, like here, if you need openings, um, There's wall openings. No, it's an opening already. Um, but that's the difference between all wall openings. See, if you use wall openings, can you see here? Um, you can actually select this, and you can move them on the wall. Okay. Um, but you can also just draw line like this. Okay. But these two are different. See, this you can select this, but this one you cannot. Okay, this is part of the wall. But you can use these bars to change them, those kind of things. Okay. Um, okay, so that's about openings. Mm, the same here. We could do that. See. Okay. So you see how easy to do these kind of things. Okay. But the issue is for this curve walls, you cannot edit this profile. You cannot just double click and edit profile like what I did here. Double click, you edit profile. This one you can just use the opening. Okay, which is which is the opening. You can just you know you can like do this kind of things. Okay. Um, so that's about some basic um, walls. Wall is super simple because it's just wall. The other thing is height. You can look at the top constraint and the unconnected height. You can do like base offsets. For example, I can make this one is 2 feet. See, you have like you start with 2 feet. Okay. Oh, here the base. So level one. Oh, I have to go. Sorry, I have to go to level 2. So see here. That's level 2. Okay. I guess our walls are super high at this point. Okay. The other cool thing is let's just add a floor at level 2. Okay. Um, actually, how about at site level? I want to show you one thing. So if you click floor, see you want to draw a floor with this, right? All you need to do is use this. See pick lines. Well, this is pick wall. Actually, you can use pick walls. You just you hover over one and then you tap. You click it. See, they will select all of them, right? And you click OK. So they will create floors for you, okay? But this is like a base floor. You can, if you want to them go to level 2, you click apply. Boom, they're in level 2 now. Okay, so that's how you do floors. Um, and I can do another one. See the same one. I can just go to maybe go to north. Um, maybe can just copy. So make it level 3 offset. Let's make it 0. Okay, so I have another wall. Okay, that's kind of the point. Okay, um, and like this floor, what if like the other cool thing is what if I let's say this one I like change them, like make this part really tall, like this tall. Okay, you can. So what if I have this like a weird one, right? I want this attach that. You can use this. Attach top and base. Click here and click this. It looks like I cannot do that. Okay, looks like I have some issues. Is because you want the floor. See the floor? Let me go to site. Okay, so this is the floor. You want the floor to actually be higher, be outside, cover the. See, this is a wall, um, and this is a floor. So we want a floor to kind of cover the wall, so the wall can attach to it. I probably need to redo the floor. If I do a floor again, click OK. Okay, go to 3D and move this floor to. Wait a minute. If I do the floor again, so you make sure it's outside. You can even see, make sure it's outside, and you click OK. And you have floor here, and then you can make them level 3, right? And if you do like a little bit offset, like 5, and then you do a little bit change, say not this, move this a little bit higher, and then you choose this wall and you attach it. See, they will attach it. That's a cool part about this. Okay, the same with this. You can attach it. They will attach it. So that's another thing to how you can do it. Okay, you can attach all this. Okay, and this is about and the same thing about a wall. Like the wall, you have different types of wall. Okay, you can change them. If I go to shaded, you see here. Um, you can use interior walls. They're just different kinds of walls. You could the same thing. You could by changing the materials, you can change the different structures of the wall. Okay, you can give material. I can use like wood. You know, create okay. Well, you can make the thickness different layers. You can add new layers. You can see you can insert new one. Um, you can make sure like this is 5 maybe. You can use another kind of wood or tiles. Alright. Okay, so there's some arrows with the floor out there, but you got an idea. Okay, I kind of because I changed that. I should change them all, but you got the idea. Um, so okay, so that's the wall today. I just briefly show you different examples, but I think try different ways. You should get an idea. Again, look at all those, try different options, and you will see how it works. Thanks.